what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool, awesome Beatles. Got to get you into my life. From Revolver, I believe. Anyway, so let's do it in... I'm in standard tuning, and we're gonna do it in... I was messing around with capos a little bit, but I think G will be great. So we got G major, but let's play it like this. Let's not use the third here. Let's use third finger and pinky. Pinky on the B string, third fret, and mute the A string. We want a G, F over G. So grab F like this, first finger, second, and then a G in the bass, and then pinky. So we got an F with G here. Then we got a B minor bar chord. There's no way around it. So let's grab it here. 7th fret, 3rd, and pinky. And we want to do like a... Could just stay on the B minor, but if you play by yourself, it's kind of boring. So you want to go... So pinky, and move the D string down a half. We got a minor major chord, and then make it a -7 chord. Okay, and then we have C major, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And then we want to move that down, move the bass down, 2nd fret, A string. Keep your first finger, and then A minor, and D. Back to G. So let's do it from the B. C, B over A. Verse. G over F. G over F. B minor. C. B over A. A minor. D. Okay, now we have the chorus. We need a G7. Let's play it like this. So a G major bar chord, and then lift up your pinky. And then we have a C7. Could play G7 like this, but let's keep the notes a little bit more together. So. C7 and land on D. B minor. downstrokes here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Some excellent Beatles. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Be safe, and I'll be back tomorrow. Please subscribe.